Welcome to the Brain Work Challenge. Dive into the vibrant world of Ganesh Chaturthi with this collection of fascinating facts that go beyond the usual celebrations. Discover the intriguing history, hidden meanings, and lesser-known traditions of this beloved festival dedicated to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the god of new beginnings. Whether you're a long-time devotee or new to the festival, these captivating insights will deepen your appreciation of why Ganesh Chaturthi is so special to millions around the world. Origin in Maharashtra, the Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated across India. It was popularized as a public festival by the freedom fighter Lokmanya Tilak in Maharashtra in 1893. He used it as a way to bring people together during the British rule, turning it from a private family affair into a large community celebration. Elephant head symbolism? Did you know that Lord Ganesha's elephant head symbolizes wisdom, understanding, and a discriminating intellect that one must possess to attain perfection in life? The large ears signify listening more and talking less. Ganesh Chaturthi duration varies. Did you know that the festival's length can vary? Some families and communities celebrate it for 1.5 days, while others extend it up to 11 days, with each day marked by rituals, prayers, and festivities. Eco-friendly movements? Did you know that in recent years, there has been a growing movement towards eco-friendly Ganesh idols made from clay, papier-mâché, or plant seeds? This shift is aimed at reducing the environmental impact caused by the immersion of plaster of Paris idols in water bodies. Multiple names and forms? Did you know that Lord Ganesha is known by 108 different names? Some popular ones include Vinayak, Vignaharta, remover of obstacles, and Ekdanta, one with a single tusk. Each name represents a different aspect of his personality. Modak's significance? Did you know that Modak, a sweet dumpling, is believed to be Lord Ganesha's favorite food? It symbolizes spiritual knowledge, and it's said that offering modaks to Ganesha pleases him the most. Different Visarjan traditions? Did you know that while immersion, Visarjan, of Ganesh idols is a common tradition on the last day of the festival, some households prefer to perform the Visarjan on odd days like the 1st, 3rd, 5th, or 7th day after the installation? First Puja. Did you know that Ganesh Chaturthi is traditionally the first festival in the Hindu calendar? Lord Ganesha is worshipped at the start of all rituals and ceremonies, as he is considered the remover of obstacles and the god of beginnings. Largest public celebration? Did you know that the city of Mumbai hosts one of the largest public Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations in the world? Millions of devotees participate in the processions, and some idols are as tall as 20 to 30 feet. Lord Ganesha's writing role. Did you know that Lord Ganesha is said to have been the scribe for the epic Mahabharata? According to legend, the sage Vyasa narrated the Mahabharata, and Ganesha wrote it down, on the condition that Vyasa would recite it without pause. First worship. Did you know that Lord Ganesha is traditionally worshipped first among all gods in Hindu rituals? This custom, known as Pratham Puja, is believed to invoke his blessings to remove obstacles and ensure success. Historical roots. Did you know that the celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi dates back to the time of the Maratha Empire? It was later revived as a community festival in the 19th century to foster unity among Indians against British colonial rule. Different regional names? Did you know that Ganesh Chaturthi is known by various names across India? In Maharashtra, it's widely called Ganeshotsav, while in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, it's known as Vinayak Chaviti. Lal Bagcha Raja? Did you know that the Lal Bagcha Raja idol in Mumbai is one of the most famous and revered Ganesh idols? Millions of devotees visit it during the festival, and it's known for fulfilling wishes, making it a highlight of the celebrations. Ganesha and the moon? Did you know that according to legend, one should not look at the moon on Ganesh Chaturthi? It is believed that doing so could bring misfortune or false accusations due to a curse Lord Ganesha placed on the moon for laughing at him. Ganesha's mount? Did you know that Lord Ganesha's mount, a small mouse named Mashak, symbolizes humility and wisdom? It represents the idea that Ganesha can overcome even the smallest obstacles in life, showing that no problem is too big or too small. Different idols, different states. Did you know that the style and decoration of Ganesh idols vary significantly across different regions of India? For instance, idols in Maharashtra often have Ganesha in a sitting or standing posture, while in South India, idols may depict him in a dancing pose or with a distinct regional style. Siddhi and Riddhi? Did you know that Lord Ganesha is often depicted with his consorts, Siddhi, spiritual power, and Riddhi, prosperity? These figures represent the rewards of spiritual and worldly success, signifying the balanced blessings Ganesha bestows upon his devotees. Chanting mantras. Did you know that chanting specific mantras dedicated to Lord Ganesha, like Om Gan Ganpate Namah, is believed to invoke his blessings for overcoming obstacles and achieving success in endeavors? Symbolism of Ganesha's tusk. Did you know that Ganesha's broken tusk has a symbolic meaning? It represents sacrifice and the ability to overcome challenges. One legend says that he broke his tusk to use it as a writing instrument when transcribing the Mahabharata. Global celebrations. Did you know that Ganesh Chaturthi is not only celebrated in India but also across the world, especially in countries with significant Indian communities like the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia? It's a testament to the global appeal and cultural significance of this beloved festival. Ganesha's favorite flowers? Did you know that Lord Ganesha is particularly fond of red flowers, especially hibiscus? Offering red flowers to Ganesha during the festival is believed to be highly auspicious and pleasing to him. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed these fascinating facts about Ganesh Chaturthi and learned something new about this vibrant festival. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family to spread the festive vibes. Also, let us know in the comments which fact surprised you the most or share your own Ganesh Chaturthi traditions with us. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more amazing content like this. Wishing you and your loved ones a joyous Ganesh Chaturthi filled with blessings, prosperity, and lots of modaks. Ganpati Bappa Moria. See you in the next video.